Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a current backup or system image. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Then create a Windows 11 USB recovery drive using the media creation tool on a working PC. Once the USB is ready, restart the failing machine and enter UEFI or BIOS to set USB as the first boot device. Make sure Secure Boot or Fast Boot settings won't block the drive. Then save and reboot immediately to load the recovery environment. You'll see advanced options. Choose Startup Repair first because it quickly resolves common boot failures. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, and bootrex/rebuild to restore boot records. These commands repair corrupted boot configuration and master boot records. Once done, run chkdskc/f/r to find and fix file system or bad sector issues. Make sure to let each command finish. Abrupt shutdowns can leave the disk in a worse state. Once repairs complete, remove the USB recovery media and restart the PC to confirm Windows boots normally. If it does, verify system files with sfc/scano and update drivers. If repairs don't restore stability, use Reset This PC or perform a clean install provided you have your backup or product keys. If problems persist, run memtest for RAM and check SSD firmware and smart data. If hardware checks fail, replace components or contact professional support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.